Okay, Beatrice, 57 in the first paper one, 80 in the one that came after that. Let's see if you can keep up that fabulous effort. Six squared is right, but that is 36, not 32. So you lose a mark for that. 8620, that's right, so is that. And 6 is correct there, well done. So 6 there. That one's right, that one's right. That one's not, because it's equal to a half. So you're going to lose a mark because you put in an extra one that is incorrect. With this one, it's £1.61, but when you take £1.61 away, you've forgotten that that needs to come down to a 4, and then it's £3.39. So you're only going to get one of the two marks there. And you've got these wrong. An odd number is scored with an ordinary fair dice. Half the numbers on a square on a fair dice are odd, 1, 3 and 5. So that should be even. At least one of the days in the next 10 days will be a Monday, is certain, because a Monday occurs every 7 days. And it will rain in London on at least one day in March, would be likely. So you've got in a bit of a muddle with those. Total for the page 6, 11, 12, 13. 31 and 60, 30%, 25%. That's good. 9, 12, 6, 8, 5 is correct, and that's a 1, so that's correct too. 8 for the page. Frequency goal scored, lovely. 6 out of 40 is correct, and yeah, that's good as well. Well done. So 6 marks for that. 55 centimeters squared is correct. That's correct, but it doesn't add up to 41. It's 22 and 10 is 32. So you lose that mark, but you get those 3. 9 for the page. So you're sticking with this method, and when you're sticking with this method, you've got to do 56 times 39, which is correct, and then you're going to do 9 6s are 54, so that's not right, because it should be a 4, and then 45, so that's not right. So there's quite a few mistakes in there. Let's do it again down here. So first of all, 9 6s are 54. 5 down, 4 down, carry the 5. 5 9s are 45, and 5 is 50. Then we're into this, and this is the 10s, so we need to add a 0. 3 6s are 18. 15, 16. 4, 16, 12, 2. What have I done wrong there? Hold on, I've gone wrong there somewhere. 3 6s are 18, don't carry 1. 5 3s are 15. 1 6 8 0. Oh, that's a 0 there, not an 8. I'll read my own writing. That's an 8, and then we've got 11 and 2, so 2 1 8 4. So your method is fine. One of your rows is right, but your answer is wrong. That's correct. Well done. Yeah, that is right, but you've got to do it without a calculator. So you find 1% by dividing by 100. So 500 divided by 100 is 5. So 1% is 5. 3% is 3 times as much, which is 15. The number is 9. Well done. A is 3, 1. B is wrong. B is negative 3, 2. So B is there and C is correct. So you've got 2 of them right. 2, 4, 6, 7. Take a look how I do that on my solutions. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Excellent. Well done, and that's excellent as well. That is really good. Full marks on that page. 5 out of 20 is correct. So you haven't done enough there. I'll go through this. We will do games of chance in class. But what you have to do first of all is divide 800 by 20 to put it in groups of 20, and then however many groups there are, each have 5 winners. 400 is correct. 40 times £1.50 is correct. 400, so for yours that is correct, but unfortunately that's not there, so 1 mark for that. That one's wrong, but that one is bang on with you. Okay, 180 take away 48 is 132. 132 divided by 2 is 66. So that is 66. So you've got to do 180 take away 66. You've taken away the wrong value. And 15 is correct. So 3, 5, 8 for the page. They want the 3-dimensional shape, not the net. That's what they're looking for there. And 3 times 3 is 9, and then it's going to be 9 times 6 because there's 2 of them stuck together. So it's going to be 6 times 3 times 3. You get a mark for calculating the volume. Here, the where you've drawn it from is wrong. If that's the centre of enlargement, you have to increase the centre of enlargement too. So to get from O to the original, you've got to go across 2 and down 1. So you've got to start the enlargement by going across 4 and down 2. So you'd start your enlargement there, but your enlargement is correct. 3 for the page. That's not right. I'll explain that one in class, and it is something that we will practice before the exam. That's correct, that's correct, that's correct, that's correct, that's correct. That isn't, because they're different. Okay, what do you have to do to this to make that? Well, you're doubling it, and then every time you have to add 2. There's twice as many white squares as black squares that way, but every time there's a +2 on it as well. So total for that page is 1, 1, 1, 0 for that. So 3 for the page. 600 on top is good, but you can't have 1 underneath. You want to round that to 0.2 or 0.25 and then work out how to deal with that. See how I've done that on my solutions. That isn't 20, it's 9, and again indices is something that we will practice. This one, 7x is correct. It's not 48, it's 28. Equals 3x take 10. 4x is correct. That would then be 48 take 10. So there's another mistake there. So you get 1 mark there, and here 20 times 3.4. Right, it's the area, so it's pi times the radius squared. So it's 3.14 times 20 times 20. And then it's a semicircle, so you would end up dividing that by 2, because it's half a circle. And then you would go from there. So half of 20 is 10. Um, 10 times 20 is 200. 3.14 times 2 is 6.28 times 100, which is 628. So that's how you would work that one out. One for the page. Okay, so what did I say? 80. I don't think you're going to get 80 this time. But let's see. 13, 21, 30, 37, 48, 56, 59, 62, 63. 63 is a borderline C. With my marking, I was saying you need 65. So that's a D, but it's only 2 marks off the grade C. So that's not bad. But, you know, it's quite a difficult paper, but certainly that's a bit of a step back from last time.